Let's generate a report to identify the top 25% of females born since the beginning of 2023. And guess what? It's just a few clicks away. Head over to the report section and apply the following filters. Select female. Choose the active status. Set the birth date range from January 1st, 2023. Next, click on Add Trait/Index Filter and select Zoetis Total Return from the dropdown. Set the lower threshold to 75%. You'll now see a simple output displaying the number of animals that meet these criteria. Now that you have generated a report to your liking, you can also export the report to Excel. Simply navigate to the Download Report function. Select the reporting format of your interest, and this will initiate your file to download. You can then view the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. That's how quickly you can create a report and easily identify a group of animals based on multiple parameters.